is your forecast for the technology industry in the future, and where do you see opportunities also for AIIB?
Yeah, I think as I mentioned that infrastructure is still going to be an increasing trend to be applied for the infrastructure financing. As going forward, AIIB as a multilateral development bank will also take the technology as its core advantage so that we can provide a better solution to our clients when they cope with those climate change. As we can see, whenever, no matter it is renewable energy, energy efficiency, smart city, I mean, AIIB as a multilateral development bank, we can provide those cutting-edge technologies for our clients to apply and also commercialize this technology so that they can really generate some benefits. And also we could help them, I think we can also play a catalytic role to help our clients to mitigate some of the risks that using all those technologies. And also one thing we should note that, I mean, to cope with this new technology trend, I think that especially in the area of the climate change, one single country or single organization could not, I mean, complete all those tasks on its own. So we need collective and joint efforts. That's why you may notice that last year under the G20 framework, those ministers has called on all the multilateral development banks to work as a group, as a system, so that we can mobilize all the, and also optimize our financial resources and try to standardize all those criteria when you apply technologies so that we can really work as a group, as a system, and build up our platform to help countries so that we can become more focused. And those resources can be financial resources, could be really provide good solutions to our clients.